Hey folks, I'm Anthony with Signature Roofing, and spring has sprung. It is April, and staying true to form, we're going to kick off our spring season in Sicklerville tomorrow. I'm going to try and keep this video a few minutes or shorter. These are secrets to help any project coordinator, project manager, crew foreman, contractor save yourself a lot of headaches on job day. Number one, you can see there's no work going on here today, right? The only thing happening is our material has already been dropped, right? Project managers, the reason that your crew does not respect you is because they know that you don't understand what's going on any given project, yet you're the manager. One way you could set yourself aside very easily, take the 10 minutes to go over the plans, know the square footage, how many squares are being changed, and know exactly how many materials you need to do that job correctly. When you get to the job site, make sure that everything that's supposed to be on your pallet is there. You start with your metals, pipe collars there, full box of drip edge there, box of trim coil right here. Okay, let's move along. We have step flashing 2 bundles as well. Underlayments, you have ice and water, plenty of winter guard from CertainTeed. We have some open ones from the last job, and we have our new ones, right? So if you do not make sure that they're using the old material, you're going to wind up with a shop that looks like a supply house. Therefore, when my crew foreman gets here, he'll be made aware that the first 2 products of underlayment are the 2 open rolls of ice and water and the roll of roof runner, and then we go into the new stuff. So you might look and say, why are pallets split into 2? Well, it's very simple. This is the exact amount of shingles, underlayments, ventilation, nails, and everything that is needed, right? What you see here is an extra bundle of starters, 8 extra bundles of regular shingles, an extra bundle of poly paper, an extra bundle of ice and water, an extra box of nails, and some framing nails. Why is that imperative? Well, when your crew shows up and they see that you've prepared your job with impeccable details, they say, hey, this is a project manager that understands what should go on the roof as per the square footage and measurements, and has split it into 2. So anything that we go over, any additional waste or extra materials needed, are going to have to come from the crew manager, who obviously is all on top of that. Okay, the reason at Signature that we have dumpsters and materials delivered the day prior to the job is so that we eliminate any chance of any headaches on job day. If a truck is caught in traffic, if it blows a tire, if they forget our dumpster, none of that is a problem, because those things are happening and being resolved the day prior to the job. Okay, also gives us an opportunity to go through our entire checklist and make sure we've gotten everything. It does nothing to pump fake and have the materials there the day before the job unless you intend to come out and make sure that you have everything you need. If you're not finding that out until tomorrow morning, what good is it? Okay? The other thing, our materials have been dropped, our dumpster has not. If you don't want to wait around for your guys all day, number one, you should have a good relationship. Part of the reason that we have an amazing relationship with our supplier and our waste management company is because they know we're the easiest drop on their list. We tell them anytime drop. We don't care what time you drop it, because we're going to have it drop the day before the job, right? Knowing that our can is going to open with the butt end towards us, right? And the opening is going to be on that side, and we have 2 pallets stacked. We're asking the waste management company to bring that dumpster as close to this line, leaving another 2 feet before the sidewalk, to ensure the fact that we can swing that door open tomorrow in the morning without having to move any of this stuff, versus having to move a pallet again just to be able to get that space to make use of the door. You can see things like wheelbarrows, right, that take up space in the truck on job day. Tools that we absolutely know we are going to need, all drop the day prior to the job. Another thing I can tell you folks, everybody's still using a 2-stroke Husqvarna blower because that was the standard for so long. This Milwaukee blower, especially if you have the battery family, is $149. It blows at 200 miles per hour, and it'll save you the mess of having to carry a gas can, making sure that you have the oil, making sure that whoever fills it actually mixes it so you don't seize out the engine in the middle of the job. It's just a lot easier. So I know it's a heartbreak, get rid of the Husqvarna, Milwaukee's making a blower that works just as well battery operated. So as you can see, we now know that we have all the materials that are necessary. We have all of our tools. We're going to drop those 2 ladders in the yard. And we know that even if we're not here, our waste management company, we can rely on to drop the dumpster in the space where we've asked them to. So tomorrow morning when that alarm goes off at 4:30, just have to get myself together, put my hair in place, pick up some of the crew, and get here. Nothing to it but to do it, because the job has been planned meticulously down to the final tack.